everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since I last uploaded, but we're gonna be playing some cabin crew simulator, and we're just gonna see what's going on since the last time I played. Okay, we're gonna fly. Yeah, the A321. We're gonna fly to Honolulu since we're Hawaiian Airline. Let's spin. See what we can get. We got a lost pet. Alright, let's see what we're gonna pick this crew. Done. Hire all. We are going to try out the all of them got redone, so we're gonna do gear failure since that's a new one. Let's try this. 8-6. Let's do this. I'm ready. See. Doors will open in 3, 2, 1. I guess they didn't open. Let's go. Nice aircraft. Back alley. 0 seats. Have a seat. 2 seats here. I'm gonna do the galley. Let's go on the cockpit. Let's see. Open this and we don't need our safety equipment. Let's get this started. Okay. Open. We'll start business. I'm gonna add some boarding music. Cola, energy bar. Chips, chocolate, peanuts, and muffin. We're gonna start I'm gonna go serve business. Water, ginger ale, coffee, and a Sprite. Nice. Oh yeah. Do the wavy dance. Oh yeah. What's up? Tray table, please. Tray table. Tray table. I gotta say hi to them. Hello. Right now. Seatbelt, please. Tray table. TV. Tray table. Seatbelt. Seat upright. Buckle up. Buckle it. Buckle.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Alright. Close up. Passengers check. All passengers check. Flight attendants arm for cross check. We're gonna push back and see if we can fall.
Now we request your full attention. The flight attendants to demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft. With the seatbelt sign illuminates, you must fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as you may experience turbulence. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft. Please take a few moments now to
two back
locate your nearest
here.
exit. In some cases, your
Two
nearest
in the
exit
middle.
may be behind you.
Two
If we need
two
to
in the
evacuate the
upper
aircraft,
middle,
floor
and
level
two in the
lighting will
front.
guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the hands in the direction of the arrow.
Why are you
Each
looking
door
at
is
me
equipped
like
with
that?
an
Hold
inflatable
on.
slide which may also be detached to use as a life raft.
You
Oxygen
son
and the
of
air
a
pressure
bastard.
are always being monitored. In the event of a decompression event, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you, place it firmly over your nose and mouth, and secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to your mask. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first and then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in the pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord, only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention if required. Also, the seat bottom cushion can be used as a flotation device. Pull the cushion from the seat, slip your arms
Flight
into the
attendants,
straps, and
please
hug
proceed
the
to
seat
take off.
towards your chest. At this time, your portable electronic devices must be set in the airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. You will find this and all the other safety information.
Oh, what is that? Some ones I see. Beautiful skies. Oh. Right here. Alright, I'm gonna start.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
See lobster, some sushi. Alright, we're gonna start an economy drinks. Water. Oh, baby. Take them off. You're welcome. Number 6 for ginger ale. 3 Coca-Cola.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
Stop looking at me like you smelled something horrendous. Bro, what is his face? Ooh, okay. It's pretty rough. Orange juice, coffee for the 4-year-old, Pepsi. Right now we give food. She wants an egg Sammy and a muffin. That's a taco. Pretzels. Steak, egg sandwich, and what is this, muffin with some food. Of course the old man. Oh, old man said deer. Alright, we're gonna have to collect trash.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Go away from me now. Okay. This kid needs to learn some manners, man. He's saying some absolutely ridiculous thing. Shama's not feeling so well. worried, anxiety. It's okay though. Everybody has one of those days. Give medical kit. Now I need to go to the PA. Call for a doctor. Doctor. Doctor's on board.
Flight attendants,
Doctor's
please
on
prepare the
board.
cabin for arrival.
Doctor, follow me. Bring. Oh, this lady. Sir. Nervous. Do it. How are you doing? I don't know. I feel worried. Let me just check something. Oh, he left. What happened? Good job, flight attendant. A round of applause. Alright, can we finally take off now? Gosh, man. Alright, let's land. Let's see. Gear failure. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, I won't make it. Uh-oh. Alright, are we doing the go around? Yes, we are. Doing a go around. Why did we raise the bar? Alright, I guess we're doing a go around. It's okay. Oh, there's another Hawaiian. Hawaiian Airlines. We gotta. Ooh, what's happening? No, don't pull me. Where am I?
This is your first officer from the flight deck speaking. Due to an issue with our front landing
Everybody,
gear, we
brace
had to abort our
position.
landing. We will now be making an emergency landing
Brace.
without the front gear. Flight attendants, please ensure all passengers are in the brace position.
Brace. Half of them not even in the brace position, but alright. Brace for impact. Brace. Alright. Ooh, we got a little tiny wing. Got this, pilots, don't mess up. Totally, our life is totally not in your hands right now. Do it. See this.
Brace!
Brace. Uh-oh. See what's gonna happen. Whoa, we're going off the runway. Come on. We get to fire engines going. Evacuate. Open the door. Open.
This is your captain speaking. The
Evacuate.
aircraft has landed but is on fire and may explode.
Evacuate,
Flight
evacuate,
attendants,
evacuate.
Open the boarding door and evacuate all the passengers as quickly as possible.
Go. Everybody go. Open. Everybody go. Oh, go. I think you missed the spot. Go check if anybody's going. No, there isn't. Can you spray the right spot, man? Nice job. You evacuated everybody clean enough so the fire could be put out. We transported inside the airport shortly. Yay! We did it! We completed the gear landing challenge. Got no gear. Teleporting to destination. Safe. Alright, our safety was not the best, but alright. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and I'll be posting very shortly with more videos. See you later, and peace.